Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on Ally Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ally.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Ally Bank website, from which you can click on the login button at the top right corner to proceed with logging in to your existing account. Once you click on login, this will open up the login portal, from which you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your username followed by your account password for your Ally Bank account and then click on the login button. If you are using a private device and don't want to log in every single time you use the website, you can click on the save username option. However, make sure you uncheck this or leave it as it is if you're signing in through a shared device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Ally Bank website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.